Okay, now this is completed. Okay, wait few minutes, then I will start. Okay, welcome. Now the previous class discussed nitrogen fractionation. Okay, this is ammonia and organic and biodegradable and non-biodegradable. The biodegradable is the soluble particulate. Okay, and the soluble particulate. Okay, Tn to this is the 60 to 70% S4. Non-biodegradable is the in 96% of SSV. The COG or COD. Okay, chemical strength demand. What is the BOD value? Is COD standard? As per WHO, the BOD is 30 milligram per liter is the standard value. Okay, and the drinking purpose use the 0 to 5. Below 5 is the drinking purpose used, but is the permissible limit is the 30, and the COD value is the 250 milligram per liter. Ammonia nitrogen test bio laboratories using the 228 reactors, the pressure sample fill a 25 ml volumetric flask and 25 ml of the waste sample. Okay, the blank preparation fill a 25 ml volumetric flask with a 25 ml distilled water, and referent reagent ammonia nitrogen reagent will be used. Mindel metabolizer polyvinyl alcohol national reagent. Okay, add 3 drops of mineral stabilizer to volumetric flask stopper and invert several times to mix. Okay, add 3 drops of polyvinyl alcohol to each volumetric flask stopper and invert several times so to mix. And a pipette is 1.0 ml of a Nestler reagent into each volumetric flask stopper and invert several times of to mix. Okay, so this is the ammonia nitrogen test or biodegradable. Okay, any doubt? So 3 drops of polyvinyl alcohol to each volumetric flask. Okay. The phosphorus and the sulfur. The phosphorus is also essential to the growth of algae and the biological organism. And the originally bonded phosphorus is an important constituent of industrial wastewater and sludge. And sulfur, the sulfate is reduced biologically under anaerobic conditions to sulfide, which in the turn can combine a hydrogen to form hydrogen sulfide S2S sulfur. But the hydrogenally bonded phosphorus is an important constituent of the industrial wastewater and sludge. Okay, and sulfur reduce the biologically under anaerobic condition to sulfide, which in turn can combine with hydrogen to form hydrogen sulfide S2S. The accumulated S2S can then be oxidized biologically to sulfuric acid, which is the corrosive to steel pipe and equipment. This is sulfur. Okay. Then now start the major class toxic inorganic substance and toxic inorganic substances. Nitrate NO3, cyanide, CN, the heavy metals constitute. So arsenic is the ace toxic inorganic substance. Barium, Ba, cadmium, chromium, lead, mercury. Okay, selenium and silver. The effect cause poisons AH and chromium 6 plus. Chromium disease PB, CD, and Hg. Okay, this is the given for the Davis Consensus 2008. And toxic organic substances, there are over 120 toxic organic compounds listed in US Environmental Protection Agency. Very pollutant list. These are pesticide, insecticide, and solvents. Effects may accurate chlorinic. Okay, this is the toxic. And there's the measurement of organic substances. Okay, the analysis is to measure aggregate organic material may be divided in two parts to measure gross concentration of organic substance greater than 1.0 milligram per liter, and to measure a trace ones in range the 10 to 12 to 100 to 100 milligram per liter. Okay, laboratory method commonly used today the measure gross amount of the organic matter typically greater than 1 milligram per liter in wastewater liquid. Biochemical and BOD, COD and TOD. Okay, so BOD is COD, the BOD value is the permissible 30 but you acceptable for drinking water 0 to 5, 0 to 5 and the result getting the after 5 days and and a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. COD is the permissible 250 milligram per liter. Okay, the less than 250 is the acceptable for drinking water. Okay, the composition of the laboratory test is the theory of oxygen demand THOD is determined from the chemical formula of the organic matter. Okay, and ED 2003 and the biochemical oxygen demand BOD. Okay, is a measure BOD reality is used to determine the atmospheric quantity of oxygen that will be required to biologically stabilize the organic matter present. Measure the efficiency of some treatment process, determine the size of wastewater treatment facility, determine compliance with the wastewater discharge permits. And BOD is a temperature of 20 degrees for 5 days. Use a standard test. After 5 days, incubator the 20 degrees Celsius. Measure after 5 days in incubator 20 degrees Celsius. And use bacteria oxidized biodegradable organic in wastewater sample after incubation. Okay. So BOD can be calculated by measuring DO before after incubation. Okay. Then BOD can be calculated by when the dilution water is not acided BOD milligram per D1 minus D2 upon P. When the dilution water is acided BOD milligram per liter equal to D1 minus D2 and B1 minus P2 upon F. The F is equal to percent of seed in the D1 and percent of seed in the B1. Where D1 equal to dissolved oxygen of the dilution sample after preparation milligram per liter, D2 dissolved oxygen of the dilute sample after 5 days 20 degrees Celsius milligram per liter and P is the volumetric fraction of sample is to total volume. Okay, and B1 dissolution of the seed control before incubation milligram per liter and B2 dissolution of seed control after incubation the milligram per liter. Okay, IF is the ratio of sample to seed in control. Okay, seed is done in the WW is known as the wastewater, known as the containing efficient number of the microorganisms for degradable wastewater. Okay, use suitable bacteria culture within the W wastewater test system. Control is used to eliminate effect by the presence of impurities in dilution where BOD value need variation 2 hours. Okay, you test the BOD value kind the after the 5 days within that 20 degrees Celsius temperature, you getting the value. Okay. Then the limitations of the UD5 test are as follow. How to which our test the high concentration of activity eliminated the seed bacteria is required. Pre-treatment is needed when the dealing with toxic waste and the effect of nitrifying organism must be reduced. Okay, only the biodegradable organic are measured. The test does not have stoichiometric validity after the soluble organic matter present in the solution has been used. Okay, and a very long period of time to the obtained result. This is the limitation of BOD5 test as the follow. A question kinetics of the BOD. The this is the first order kinematic is the DLT upon DT is equal to minus KLT. Integration is the LT equal to minus KT is the LT upon L equal to E minus K. Okay, so 10 minus KT. This is the equation, aquatic kinematic of the BOD. Where the LT amount of first order BOD in the wastewater at a time T milligram per liter and the K reaction rate constant L is BODL total added ultimate carbonaceous BOD milligram per liter. Okay, typical value of the K antidate wastewater versus the about 0.28 dimension the first order reaction rate constant will be expressed in the B long base 10 units. The relationship between base C and K base 10 as follows. Suppose K base 10 is equal to K base underscore E is equal to 2.303 is the formula of the equated BOD equation. Equation kinetic of BOD. This is at K temperature T at 20 degrees Celsius. Amount of BOD at time T Okay, the amount of BOD time T is network issues really. Amount of BOD time T LT equal to L minus Q upon T. Theta is equal to take the value T equal to 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature T 1.135 T equal to 4 to 20 degrees Celsius. Amount BOD time T LT equal to L upon E minus KT. Okay. So then amount BOD exerted after time T. So YT is equal to A minus LT L upon, okay, minus 1 minus E upon minus KT. Okay, then the BOD exceeds after 5 days, the Y5 will be N minus L5. Actually, use this the moment engineering BOD value, COD value. Okay, the A minus L equal to L upon E minus A 5K. Okay, this is the chemical oxygen COD. To measure the degree of the organic using a strong chemical acid solution, to measure the organic matter industrial wastewater to contain compound that are toxic to biological life. To oxidize the reduced compound in wastewater through reaction with a mixture of chromic and sulfuric acid at a high temperature. CaHPOC Cr2O7 twice minus, okay, plus hydrogen plus. Then getting the reaction of the Cr thrice plus CO2 plus H2O. Measure difference of amount of K2 Cr2O7 before the after heating using the ferrous ammonia sulfate. Is the reducing agent higher the BOD before more compounds can be chemically oxidized than can be. Then you get the value. Anyone this about CO2? Anyone define? Anyone can define? Hello? Am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Hello? Okay, higher than the BOD because more compounds can be chemically oxidized than biologically oxidized. Ratio BOD COD varies usually 1 is to 1.5 is to 2. For essay wastewater containing biodegradable material, example flood industry. For wastewater with a ratio higher than 3, it is assumed that some oxidable material in the sample is not biodegradable. So non-biodegradable materials sometimes is called refractory and found mainly in wastewater from chemical and pulp and paper industries. Okay, this is the COD. COD fractions, total COD, the COD B and NB. The COD RB is complex VFS, COD VSB can collide a particulate. NB is the COD PNB and COD PNSNB. B is the biodegradable, NB is the non-biodegradable, RB is the reactive biodegradable. SB is a slow biodegradable, PNB is a non-biodegradable particulate. SNB non-biodegradable soluble via volatile fatty acids. Okay, these are the COD fractions. Okay, then now chemicals and COD test biolab as a COD reactor DRV 200. We had preheat to 150 degrees Celsius 2 hours. Blank preparation uses a clean volumetric pipette to add 2.0 milliliter of the distilled water to a vial contain COD reaction. In the sample preparation, use a clean volumetric pipette to add 2.0 milliliter of sample to the vial. There, today, a spectrometer reading method is selected for 35 hours. The result in the milligram liter CO2 will be displaced. Okay. Then now difference between the BOD and COD. What is the difference between BOD, the measurable biodegradable organic, and measurable biodegradable and non-biodegradable organic? Okay, this is a measure biodegradable organic. This is measure biodegradable and non-biodegradable organic (COD). Use oxidizing microorganisms. Use a strong chemical agent. Affected by toxic substances, non-affected. Affected by temperature, not affected. 5 days incubation is 2 hours. Accuracy is plus minus 10%. Accuracy is at 2%. Okay, this is accuracy is plus 10%. This is accuracy is at 2%. Total organic compound TOC to determine total organic carbon in a aqueous sample. The test method TOC utilizes heat and oxygen, ultraviolet radiation, chemical oxygen, or some combination of this method of convert organic carbon. Okay, to carbon dioxide. Okay. TOC to determine total organic carbon in aqueous sample. The test method for TOC utilizes heat, oxygen. Okay. Oxidize heat, oxygen, out of high radiation, chemical oxidation. For some combinations, the method to convert organic carbon to carbon dioxide. This is method with an infrared analyzer to by others means. Okay, and TOC can be used to measure to with the pollution category, and in some cases, it has been possible to relate TOC to BOD and COD value. The theoretical oxygen demand. Okay. There's a determined base is the chemical form of display organic substance considered biochemical nitrogen nitrogenous oxygen demand. Okay. In the interrelationship bit of the constituents BOD COD is less than greater than 0.5. Okay, waste are easily treated by the biological process. 0.3 is less than BOD CO2 and less than 0.5. The biological treatment possible probable presence of in better need for the biomass accumulation. BOD is less than 0.3 minus biological treatment difficult without pre-treatment. Because biological characteristics, water for drinking and cooking purpose must be made free from disease-producing organisms. Okay. Then disease producer organism produces virus, bacteria, protozoa, and helminths worms. And some organisms can disease in help originate with the fecal discharge of infected individual adult animals. This is the biological characteristics disease producing organisms pathogens. Okay, this is some organisms comes disease in people originated with the fecal discharge of infected individual animals. Okay, and then now this we discuss the specific discuss protozoal organism presence in water is not easily identified. The technique or comprehensive bacterial examination are complex and time and consuming a total calorific test. This is very important. Radiological catastrophs caused by the development and use of atomic energy as a power source. The mining of materials, naturals occur. It is necessary to establish limited concentration for the intake into the body. The effect of human exposure to radiation and radioactive material harmful, and any necessary exposure should be avoided. This is the radiological characteristics, the pollution of the power plants and the power sources. This is the atomic energy generated. Harmful and unnecessary exposure should be avoided. The amount of radiation to which the individual is normally exposed vary with the amount of background radioactive. Water with the high radioactive is not normal. So this is the radiological characteristics. And a typical is a BOD and suspended solid load for industrial and municipal wastewater. This is the origin of waste, the domestic sewage. This is the origin of waste and by BOD, kilogram per ton product, and the total suspended solid TSS is kg per product. Domestic sewage is find 0.025 kg per day person, 0.0022 is the kg per day person, and dairy industry 5.3 and 2.2. East industry 125 is 18.7. Asta glucose industry 13.4 and 9.7. Fruits and vegetable Kingston 12.5 and 4.3. Industrial textile industry, plum paper industry, beverage industry. This is the industry, textile industry getting the BOD values of 30 to 3314 kg per ton. Okay, and the paper industry is a 4 to 130, and the two beer industry 2.5 to 220 is 48 to 0.86. Okay, next. Okay, this is the 50 total suspension. Sorry, the 52 range is the 55 to 196 and getting value. Okay, and 11.5 to 26 1.8 to 57 and 25 to 155 is the total TSS. And the rapid industrial pollution tannin industries is the 48 to 86 and 85 to 21.5 kg per ton. This range. Importance contaminants of concern in industrial wastewater treatment. Suspended solid can lead to the development of sludge deposit and anaerobic condition when untreated wastewater discharged in the aquatic environment. Nutrients, both nitrogen and phosphate along with the carbon, are essential nutrients for growth when discharged to the aquatic environment. These nutrients can lead to the growth of undesirable aquatic life. Okay, this is the part of the nutrients, and the suspended solids part is sometimes can lead to the development of sludge deposit and aerobic condition. Okay, you are known when untreated wastewater discharge aquatic environment. Okay, and the nutrient is the very dangerous for the aquatic life. Nutrient can be growth and undesirable aquatic life. When discharged excessive amount of land, they can be lead to the pollution of the groundwater. And for it, pollutants, organic and inorganic compounds select on the basis of their known or suspected chlorophysical, metallurgical, toxicity, or high accurate toxicity. Many of these compounds are found in the wastewater. This is the important contaminants of the concerned industrial wastewater treatment. This is refractory organic. These organic tends are resist conventional method of wastewater treatment. Typical example include surfactants, phenol, and organic pesticide. Okay, this is the heavy metals are usually discharged to the wastewater from commercial industrial activities and have to be removed if the wastewater is to be reduced. Dissolved inorganic such as calcium, sodium, and sulfates are added to the organic personal domestic water supply as a result of waste. Water used then may have to be removed if the wastewater is to be reused. Okay, this is a dissolved inorganics. Typical range of concentration value for the industrial and municipal wastewater. This is the very important for this. value. The origin of waste PS, TSS, BOD, COD, TDS, and O and Z. Okay. Domestic sewage PS value is 7 and TSS is 220. BOD is 250, COD is 500, and TDS is 500 milligram per liter value. Okay, domestic sewage value is 7. The industry is 4. This is acidic. Okay, the TSS is 1200, 2150, 14,000, 20 was COD 21,100, 19,000 value TDS. Okay, Est Industries 5.3 is the acidic PS value, 540, 2100 TSS 2540, POD is 21,400, and the COD is the 3400, and the TDS is the 3500, is 9 is ONZ. Okay, food and vegetables is same 5.5 PS, textile industry PS is 6.5, pulp paper industry is 8, and the beverage industry is 9, tan industry is the 10, and the previous analysis connects several companies as features cleaning 11. This is the PS value. This is the some one is the acidic, some is the basic. Okay, and your TSS is the 1800, 16,000, 16,400, 760, 2600, 565. BOE 250, 14,000, 2100, 800, 840, 366, 22, 2370, 3890. Okay, and COD value 30, 3400, 1400, 1500. Okay, 2300 COD value 1150, 4950 is the COD milligram per 2350. TDS is the same 19,000, 3500, 1260, 20 milligram per liter, 20,000 milligram per liter. Textile industries is very more. Okay, and the same is the 10 is the 8500. And they know the ONG milligram per liter is the organic 329, 94, 155 is nothing, 115 and 290. This is the typical range of the consistent values industry and the municipal wastewater. Okay. Then now example of the WWTP. Okay, example of the wastewater treatment plant. Then now is this is the sum value of the example of the WWTP area wastewater treatment plant is the sector 2, sector 1, sector 5. All are the definition. This is a cooling tower. Okay, the storage cascade aerator. Okay, the sector 6 is the sector 6, 7, sector 1 is the distribution chamber. Okay, the sector is skin grid chambers, plumbing. Sector 2 is the primary sedimentation. Sector 3 is aeration tank. Sector 4 is secondary sedimentation. Sector 5 is sludge thickening. Thickening. Sector 6 sludge anaerobic digestion. Okay, and then now is the anaerobic digestion. Sector 7 is sludge dewatering. Okay, so this is the example of WWP area is the flow chart. Okay, this is a power plant set of WWP wastewater treatment plant. Okay, then now the general characteristics of groundwater and surface water. What is the difference between ground and surface water? Groundwater is the below of the ground and surface the upper the surface area. This is the ground and surface. General characteristics of groundwater surface water. Ground means constant composition, high mineralization, little turbidity, low add rate, no color, bacteriological safe, no dissolved oxygen. Okay, this is the high is a classic composition. The bacterial safe no digital oxygen, high hardness H2S and FeMN. This is a ground surface. Surface water is the characteristic varying composition, low mineralization, high turbidity, color, mechanism, presence, digital oxygen, low hardness, taste and odors, possible chemical toxicity. So this is the surface and groundwater characteristics. This surface water usually, this is showing the figure. Okay, the surface water is a pond. The rainwater will collect the surface water bodies like ocean, lake, or stream. This is a collection of the surface water. Okay, another source is groundwater that comes out of the ground from springs become polluted when contaminants come into direct contact and either they are physically mixed with the water. Okay, and the groundwater underneath the ground comes from the rainwater. From the rainwater or surface water, lakes or stream is soaked into the soil. The water is stored underground in the tiny space between rocks and soil can move around within the soil. Groundwater contamination occurs when the water comes into the contact with the contamination. This is the groundwater and the surface water. Surface water become polluted when the contaminants come into direct contact with the other and the result of physically mix with the water. Okay, and this is the groundwater is contamination occurs when the water comes into contact with the contamination. This is the catalysis of the industrial wastewater I would discuss in IWT. Industrial process general wide variety of wastewater pollutant. Okay, the characteristics and the level of pollution is very significant from industry to industry. Okay, this is an example industry wastewater concentration for BOD5 as suspended solid. Okay, the industry BOD and suspended solid. Ammunition is 50 to 300 milligram per liter is the ammunition is 70 to 1700. Suspended solid available. Fermentation is 4500 and 10,000. Slaughterhouse is a 400 to 2500 and 100,000. Cattle pulp and paper is a 100 to 350, 75 to 300. Crafted tannery is 700 to 7,000, 400 to 20,000. This is the characteristic of the industrial wastewater. Okay. Then this is the BOD of suspended solid industry from the cases. Okay, then now toxicity. Toxicity is a degree of which a substance is able to damage and expose organisms. Toxicity can refer to the effect of on a whole organism such as animals, bacterium, plants. So here a degree of which substance able to damage or expose organism. Toxicity can refer to the effect on a whole organism such as animals, bacterium, plant. Okay. The types of toxicity is physical, chemical, and biological. Physical means including things not usually through of under the heading of toxic by many people. Example, direct blow, concussion, sound and vibration, heat and cold, etc. Okay, this is the physical. And chemical including organic substances such as lead, mercury, asbestos, hydrofluoric acid and chlorine gas. Also inorganic compounds such as methyl, almost medication and poisoning for the living things. This is a chemical, physical. And biological means includes bacteria and viruses that are able to induce disease in the living organisms. Can be decomposed measure because the threshold dose may be single organism. Okay, this is the biological. Theoretical or virus, bacteria, can reproduce the calcio-constitutional infection. This is the biological form. The chemical form is the organic and organic substances. Physical means the toxicity to blow, cause and sounds. This is the physical. Toxicity tests today are used by the Okay, assess the suitability of environment condition or aquatic life. This is the used to the assess the stability environmental condition aquatic life, establish acceptable receiving water concentration for the conventional parameters such as DO, pH, temperature, or turbidity. This is a parameter of such how to perform toxicity test. Okay, study the effect of water quality parameter on the wastewater toxicity. Determine the effectiveness of the wastewater treatment method. Assess the degree of wastewater treatment need to the meet water pollution control requirement, water requirement. Determines the compliance with federal, state water quality standard and water quality criteria. And then all the established premises effluent discharge, etc. This is the toxicity test. So this is the use the toxicity is the very parameters such as DOPS, temperature, turbidity. Turbidity is a turbid water. This is not clearly visible to transparent. Wastewater treatment plants need for the industrial wastewater treatment. What is the need? The such treatment should be compiled with the terms of the logistic defined the cases of the effluent discharging in vast water systems. The concept of planning development should be based on the criteria to protect land, water resources, aquatic life in steam, and even marine life from the pollution and to safeguard public health to the high priority. Okay, so this is the form of the wastewater treatment plants. Okay. The environmental inspection wastewater treatment plants aim to the support and sustain the protection of both the environment and public health. Since the pollution generated from industry establishment has a negative impact not only on the environment but also the health and individuals. Okay, environmental inspection is the very the protection of both environment and public health. Okay, and then now it is noted most of the producer that could be implemented by the industries to reduce the negative environment impacts will also lead to reduce the impact of the present and threat the health of workers within the plants and public living regions by various emission from the plants. In this respect, the effectiveness of the inspection of industry wastewater treatment plants will lead to the protection of for the environment and the protection of workers to and the public health. Okay, now that's a very in respect to effectiveness inspection industrial wastewater treatment plant will lead to the protection of environment of the protection workers to the public health. Okay, this is the need of the wastewater industrial wastewater treatment. Okay, the end. Okay, the toxicity test is a very important DOPS temperature, physical, chemical, and biological form. Okay, okay, this is the issues toxicity, and now I start the second topic.